change this machine. This machine from Chinese language to English language. What I'm going to do is you can switch it on. The siruba model number, this one. Model number that one. From Chinese language. Yes. How to change that language from Chinese to English? You shall come down here to button. You shall press P. After press P, it will bring that. Then from there, you shall put the password. Password. I put password 2013. One. 2014, yes, it will bring that. When it brings that, this one, we shall move. Yes, that one. Then we shall press this one. Plus to change here. Now change until we to S37. S37. Yes, that's language. When you get 37, then you go to, you press this one plus. No, this one here. This one. You see thing that side, you come to 1. 1 is English. Then okay. Then okay here. Okay. Everything will be changed to English. So I switch it off. Takes time. And switch it back on. Our machine will be in English. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.